How to fix login error in UZURV application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and tap on your Wi-Fi to turn it on and to connect to a better network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you are facing any other kinds of login problems, you can simply go to your settings, click on General, and click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and navigate yourself to the UZURV application, and here you'll see the UZURV Drive application. Tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your. However, if there's any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.